Hello everyone, this is Dipali and you are watching my channel English with Dipali. Today I will tell you top 3 books that has read by millions of people worldwide. So without any further ado, let's get into video. So first is Sudha Murthy ma'am book. Sudha Murthy Wise and Otherwise. This book has read by millions of people worldwide. It has 51 stories. It is very handy book. You can carry it anywhere and you can read it single story in a day. If you are not bookish, it will not affect your reading. You do not need lots of time to read this book. So it will definitely help you to read this story and you can also improve your communication skill. And second book, Who Will Cry When You Die. This book has written by Robin Sharma. This book is amazing. Robin Sharma has wrote 101 chapters and it is very handy. You can read it anywhere. What I have learned from this book is that don't be so hard on yourself. So it is okay if you are doing something and if you are just lifting it somewhere because it is not interesting you. Only because you want to complete it, you are becoming so hard on yourself. So don't be so hard on yourself. And third one, it is Atomic Habit, written by James Clear. Again, it is amazing book. I have read it entire and my experience is just awesome. What I have learned from this book is that your small habit can make a big change. So it is always good to do 1% and that 1% definitely saving that ocean. So definitely that drops can make the big change and that drops will become the ocean. So because of that you must be consistent what you are doing. And so I like this book. If you are not bookish, so you can try from this book as well. So I have told you 3 books. First is Sudha Murthy ma'am book, Wise and Otherwise. Second is Robin Sharma book, Who Will Cry When You Die. And third is Atomic Habit, written by James Clear. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And also share with your family and friends, and definitely they will also get help from this video. If you have any recommendation for any book review or you want I create some videos on communication or any grammar on any grammar content, so definitely you can let me in comment section. I will definitely create content on there as well. So thank you so much for watching.